Hey everyone, welcome back to the Real English Podcast. I'm John, and today we're going to practice something very useful and fun: how to order food at a restaurant in English. Many beginners feel nervous when they have to speak to the waiter, but today we're going to make it simple, natural, and confident. I have a good friend with me today. Please welcome Alex. He's from the USA just like me. Hey Alex, how's your morning going?
Hey John, pretty good actually. I had a big cup of coffee and a nice walk. What about you?
Not bad at all. I woke up early today and made breakfast. So, are you ready to talk about ordering food? I know you have some funny stories about this.
Oh yes, I do. I still remember the first time I went to a nice restaurant after moving to a new city. I was so nervous I could barely speak. I pointed at the menu like a kid instead of using words. It was embarrassing.
That sounds familiar. A lot of our viewers probably feel the same way. Let's help them feel more comfortable. Alex, when you walk into a restaurant, how do you usually start?
First, I smile and say hi or hello. Then I ask for a table. Something simple like, "Hi, can we have a table for two, please?"
Good. And what if the restaurant is busy?
I say, "Hi, do you have a table available now?" Or, "How long is the wait for a table?"
Nice. Now let's talk about looking at the menu. What do you say?
I usually say, "Can I see the menu, please?" Then I take my time to read it. If I'm not sure, I ask the waiter, "What do you recommend today?" Or, "What's your special?"
I like that. It shows you're friendly. Let's practice a short conversation. I'll be the waiter this time.
Okay, let's try. "Hi, can we have a table for two, please?" "Thank you." "Can I see the menu?" "Okay, I'd like the grilled chicken sandwich and a lemonade, please." "Does the sandwich come with fries?" "Great. Can I have it without onions? I don't like onions."
Very natural. You asked a good question and changed something politely.
Thanks. I think saying "can I have it without" or "can I add" is really useful.
Exactly. Let's make the conversation longer. Imagine you're at a restaurant for dinner.
All right. "Good evening. Can we have a table by the window, please?" "Thank you. I'd like the pasta carbonara. Is it very creamy?" "Okay, I'll take it. My friend wants the steak. Can you cook it medium rare?" "Also, can we have some garlic bread to start? And 2 glasses of water, please."
Nice. You're doing great. Now, what if something is wrong with the food?
That happened to me once. The soup was cold. I waited a moment and then said politely, "Excuse me, this soup is a bit cold. Could you warm it up, please?"
Perfect. That's a very good way to say it. You're polite but clear.
Yeah, I learned it's better to be kind. Waiters are usually nice if you speak nicely.
True. Let's do another role play. This time, you're ordering breakfast at a cafe.
"Hi, good morning. Can I have the avocado toast, please?" "Does it come with eggs?" "Okay, can I add scrambled eggs on the side?" "And I'd like a cappuccino with oat milk. Can you bring some extra honey too?" "Thank you so much."
Nice and clear. You even remembered to say thank you at the end.
My mom taught me that. Always say please and thank you. It makes a big difference.
She was right. Now, what about paying the bill at the end?
You can say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill please?" Or "Can we have the check?" Then you can ask, "Can I pay by card?" Or "Is service included?"
Good. Let's talk about one more situation. What if you're at a fast food place?
It's easier and faster. You can say, "Hi, can I have a cheeseburger meal with Coke?" Or "I'd like a chicken sandwich to go, please."
Simple and direct. Alex, do you have any final advice for beginners who feel scared to order food?
Let me see. Yes, first, prepare 3 or 4 sentences before you go. Practice them at home. Speak slowly, smile, and remember, it's okay if you make small mistakes. People understand you're learning. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
That's really good advice. I agree completely.
Thanks. Honestly, I still feel a little nervous sometimes, but it's much better than before.
Same here. So, for everyone watching, don't be afraid to try. Start with small cafes and slowly go to bigger restaurants. Every time you practice, you get better.
And enjoy your food. That's the best part.
True. Thank you so much for joining me today, Alex. This was really helpful and fun.
Thank you for having me, John. See you next time, everyone.
All right, everyone, that's our episode on how to order food at a restaurant. We hope you feel more confident now. Remember the important phrases. Can I have, please? I'd like. Can I change this to? What do you recommend? Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Pause the video and practice ordering your favorite meal right now. Say it out loud. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video, leave a comment with what you want to order in English, and subscribe for more real conversations. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and enjoy your food. I'm John from the Real English Podcast. Take care and bye for now.